In this video, I will show you how to fix Outlook not working or not opening in your Windows computer. So if you're trying to open your Outlook and the Outlook is not working or opening, follow this easy and step-by-step guide to solve this error. First of all, on your computer search box, just type here Control Panel and open Control Panel. And view by, click on this drop down and select large icons, and here click on mail, and once the mail setup Outlook window open, here you have to click on show profiles, and here you have to select Outlook and just click on remove and click on yes, and this will completely remove your Outlook profile from your computer. And then click on apply, click on OK. And now all you have to need, go ahead and relaunch your Outlook. And now you have to re-sign into your Outlook account. So right here your profile name and just click on OK. And I'm selecting here email account and right here your name again, and right here your email address, and in this box right here your Outlook account password. Retype your password in this box and then just click on next and just click on finish.